Hello dear students of Standard 6th. Welcome to DAV Moyle Public School. Yes, we will continue with the concept of work and energy. This is the fourth video of this chapter. Previously we have studied about works, what are works and energy. We have even studied different forms of energy like mechanical energy, chemical energy. So in this video we will study two more types of energy, that is light energy and sound energy. So let's begin now. Light energy. Light energy, energy from sun, so or some other source like torch, street light, matchsticks. There are different forms from which whatever energy from whatever object from which we can see light emitting, that is light energy. Like sun, moon, star, torch, street lamp. So these are certain source from which we can see light is coming. So that is light energy. So it is the form of energy. Now energy, it is the capacity to do work. So here in this also some special features are there. You will come to know what are the special features in higher classes. So in light energy something is there from which it is being converted into energy. So this is different forms of energy like light. This is light which is emitted from the sun, torch, street lamp, etc. So light energy is given by things like star, light bulb, lasers, any hot objects, flame, star, hot objects like light bulbs, etc. So these are certain objects from which we can see light. These are certain objects. So in short, whoever asks you what is light, you will simply say it is the form of energy from which we can see. Like example would be sun, torch, laser lamp, etc. Now let us study some more type of energy, that is sound energy. Now sound energy, whatever we hear, that is sound energy. So it is produced when something is vibrating, then only a sound is produced. For an instant, whatever we are saying, so inside our lungs something is there. You will come to know in higher classes, vocal cord vibrates. Since vocal cord vibrate, sound energy is produced. So in the similar manner, anything which vibrate will produce sound energy. Like for an instant, this child is banging this drum. Since this child is banging this drum, sound energy is being produced. This child is shouting and sound energy is being produced. Some sources of sound energy, as you can see, this is the source of sound energy: drums, guitar, piano. These are certain source of sound energy. Sound energy travels out as a wave in all direction. So for an instant, this person is shouting on this instrument. So whatever vibration is there in the particle, sound is being produced, and that vibration is being transferred into our ears, and from that we can hear. Sound needs a medium to travel. Sound always requires mediums like air, solid, or any gaseous medium. Then only sound can travel. Without the absence of these mediums, sound cannot travel. So sound always requires mediums like any objects like solid, liquid, or gaseous. Then only sound can travel. Sound needs to medium to travel such as air, water, wood, all metals. So that any disturbance will be travel from that source. Now different another form, that is electrical energy. Now electrical energy is moving energy. Here the moving energy means inside this, as you can see, this is an iron. In this wire, when we switch on the circuit, or when we plug this key into the electrical circuit, something is flowing. That flowing is nothing but a charge. So electrical energy is the flow of energy. So the flow of energy here, that something is nothing but charge is flowing from one point to another point. Then only this iron would be operated. In the similar manner, In the similar manner, electric fan will also operate washing machine, mixer grinder, TV, torch. All these are certain objects from which light energy is being emitted. So it is the flow of tiny particles. That charge is nothing but a flow of tiny particles that are known as electrons and protons. In that, electrons, charges are there. That charges can either be positive and negative. So in short, wire, in this wire, small tiny particles are there. These tiny particles move from one place to another place, then only electrical energy would be produced. And this electrical energy could be seen in the instrument like TV, mixer grinder, and so on. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you and have a nice day.